welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today we're going to bring a electrical charging station toothbrush. Now, this one's pretty strong. We're going to take a look at it, see if it works, and how to use it, because there's a couple of steps you need to know before you start using it. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what you get when you get something like this. Just to let you know, this was sent out to me by the vendor, and see what you guys think about it. So I'm personally going to use it, to be honest with you. So I actually need a new toothbrush, and we're going to put it to use and see how well it works. So let's open it up. And then it tells you instructions how to use it. They give you along with a charging connection, and this one has a little connection, all right? It's not a type C or anything. You literally have to plug it into the actual toothbrush. So we're going to take it out, and to be honest with you, it's a little light. It's not even heavy. There's no heaviness to this. Right now, as you can see, there's a couple lights in here that turned on that should be indicating once it's clean, massage, and white, and then the sensitive, and then the charging station light. All right, and up here we have different kinds of three different lights. So we're gonna power it up, and automatically you could feel it. You can feel the strongness of it. How it's vibrating, and when you're toothbrushing, and that's super high right now. You can see that's the number 3. That's number 1, number 2, and number 3. Number 1, you can hear the strongness of it. Right now we have a clean. We're going to change it from clean to massage. So let's go ahead and do that. So you hit the power massage. There's a massage right there by hitting the power, and you could hear it. That's pretty strong. And I'm not even on number 1 right now. So let's change it to whitening. The whitening. I'm gonna let you hear it how it sounds. Pretty strong. Now let's do the last one, sensitive. Sensitive is a little slower, and you could hear it. How strong it is. It's strong. I feel it, and it shows you. Let's turn it off right here. So in the back, it tells you how to disconnect the actual mount of the heads. All right. So to unlock it, you have to twist it, completely unlock, and then you just take it out. There we go. So we took it out, and if you guys can see it, that's where it locks in. So when you dribble it in, you just twist it. And this is the actual head piece. It is water resistant, all right? So it's waterproof. On the bottom is where you actually charge the station. To put it back, you pretty much just follow the actual same system down at the bottom and then twist it. And that's pretty much it. You see the white? When you see the white, that's where it locks in. I like the. I think I'm going to keep the sensitive, and you can change it different tones too on the sensitive. So off the bat, they give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 with this one built in here too. So that's a good combination. We're going to put this to charge too and see how it charges. All right, what we're going to do is a demo for now to see it charge. I have a external battery here that we're going to charge it with right now that shows you, demonstrates that you could charge this on any kind of portable chargers too. So we're going to plug it in. Let's plug it in here, all right? And then all we got to do is give it some life by plugging it in here in the bottom. And you can see the light, it just indicates green. It means it's full, it's charging right now. All right, so just to let you guys know that this is safe. See how I'm doing that? Doesn't catch us on. Doesn't remove the rubber bands. And I'm passing them through like you're supposed to be. Even it on the top. Pass it through. Very simple. On the bottom. So it doesn't catches any braces, as you can see. And it cleans them up. So keep it nice and clean. And keep the motion going. So that's another demo for you guys. You guys can see it. We'll turn. My old one, the new one. The old one, that's how it was compared to this one, size of it. You guys can see it. Big change.